User interface, applications. The SIROLaser Blue already contains a versatile range of preset applications, but also allows a maximum of individualization. There are different ways to access an application. Number 1, the application that you're looking for is already one of your 6 favorites. So you just push the button and there you are. Secondly, when pushing the button with the tooth icon, you will enter the All Applications menu. The submenus for the surgical, periodontal, endodontic, photobiomodulation, and miscellaneous applications, as well as the area of Own Applications, are arranged in the same way. After opening the submenus, you can select among different applications with preset treatment parameters. For further demonstration purposes, the preset application Frenectomy is selected. Now you can see all preset parameters. A. The wavelength. Here, the blue 445 nanometers wavelength. B. The power. Here, 2 watts. C. The time. Here, 0 seconds. D. The duty cycle. Here, CW or continuous wave. E. The frequency. Here, CW or continuous wave. F. The average power. Here, 2 watts. You are able to adjust those preset parameters that are not colored. So, in this case, power, time, and frequency. If needed, just push the applicable parameter button and adjust the parameter by typing in the appropriate value, or choose the plus/minus button. As you can see, the adjustments of the preset programs will be displayed in red to remind you that this is not the original parameter setting. If you leave the program now by pushing the Back or Home button, the original parameters will be reset. But if you would like to preserve these parameters, you could save the program by naming it accordingly. This new application will then be listed in the My Applications menu. Besides adjusting preset applications, you can also create your individual applications. Just push the plus button in the My Applications menu. First, you name the new program, and then you proceed with entering the applicable parameters for wavelength, power, time, duty cycle, and frequency. Finally, you push the Save button. Now, you've created an individual application. This new application will be listed in the My Applications menu. How do you get the laser ready to work? After pushing the button with the laser icon, you will be reminded to wear protective goggles, which you need to acknowledge. Please wait until the green LEDs on the corners of the SIROLaser Blue are constantly shining, and the screen will show Laser Ready. Now, you are ready to start the treatment of the patient.